Everyone has feelings. Let's play a game together and guess the feelings.
I'll go first and show you how we play. Okay, guess what feeling this is? Do you have a guess? Hoo-hoo, I wonder what feeling it is. Is it sad? This is how I look when I feel sad. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. Little by little, you'll feel better again.
Who wants to go next?
Okay, my turn. All right, guess the feeling. I'm not sure what that feeling is. Look at their eyes. Oh, I know. Is it frustrated? You got it. This is my frustrated face. When you're feeling frustrated, take a step back and ask for help.
Who wants to go next?
Boopsie boopsie boo. I'll give it a go. All right, get ready to guess the feeling. Oh, look at their eyes.
Can you guess what feeling they're pretending to have?
Oh, is it mad? Yes, mad. It's royally mad. When you feel so mad that you want to roar, take a deep breath and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Neighbor, would you like to take a turn?
Hoo-hoo, I'll go. Okay, Hoo-hoo, get ready to guess the feeling. Look at their eyebrows. Making feeling faces is royally fun. That looks like brave. Hoo-hoo, it's brave. With a little help, you can be brave. With a little help, you can be brave.
Neighbor, would you like to take a turn?
My turn, Meow Meow. Okay, get ready to guess the feeling.
Can you guess what feeling they're pretending to have?
I know, that's happy. Meow Meow, yes, it's happy. This is my happy song, and I can sing it all day long.